Welcome to your Stress Buster. I'm Misty, and I'm so glad you're here to take this time for yourself. Let's start by just shaking off the day. A little bounce, letting the shoulders be heavy. Stepping side to side, nice and easy. No rush, just finding a rhythm that feels good for you. Let your arms be like noodle arms. Imagine you are literally slapping away the stress of the day. Now let's find some stillness. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling up the belly, and exhale it out through the mouth. Let it all go. We're going to make some big circles with the hips. Imagine you're drawing a circle on the floor with your tailbone. And reverse it. Other way now. Keep the breath flowing smooth and steady. Inhale, reach for the sky. Star pose. Take up space, you deserve it. Exhale, bend the knees, deep plie. Keep those arms reaching high. Inhale, reach. Exhale, sweep. Move with your own breath, finding your own rhythm. Stay here, find your strength. Press the palms together, lift the heart. Arm circles. Keep them small, keep them fast. You've got this. Now bend the knees, keep the arms going. Forward circles, don't let those arms drop. And reverse it. Backwards now. I know it's burning, keep going. Step the feet wide, moving into warrior two. Gaze over those front fingertips. Exhale, close the barn door. Inhale, open it wide. Warrior two, other side. Stay strong, keep the breath deep. Shh, shh, shh. Hosh, hosh. Oh. Coming back to center. Mountain pose. Feel your feet on the earth, head over heart. Chair pose. Sit low, reach the fingertips long. Switch the heels. Right, left, right, left. Stay low in those hips. Now lift both heels. Find your focus point on the floor. You've got this. Reach the arms back, airplane arms. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Inhale, reach for the sky. Big stretch, let it all go. Exhale, forward fold. Just let the head be heavy, let the day roll off your back. Shake the head yes, shake the head no. Release any tension in the neck. Slowly roll it up. Stacking the spine, head is the last thing to lift. Feel your heart beating under your thumbs. You are here, you are present. One final lion's breath. Inhale and roar it out. Great job today. Thank you for showing up for yourself. I'll see you next time. Stay awesome. Just a little twist to finish waking up the spine. Move with ease. Open the heart, squeeze the shoulders. Breathe into the space you're creating. A gentle stretch for the neck. Let the left shoulder be heavy. Now the other side. Breathe into any tightness you find. Find your balance. Stretch out the quad. Switch sides. Keep the standing knees soft. Find a steady point to look at. Shrug them up and drop them down. Let it all go. One last reach. Reach for the sky, stretch everything.
Thank you for joining me today. Carry this peace with you.
You've got this. See you next time. Keep it up. Feel the burn. Whatever you're carrying today, let's leave it right here. Find what feels good and let's get moving. Inhale, reach for the light. Exhale, bring that peace right into your heart center. Let's release the neck. Drop the ear, feel the weight of the head. Breathe into that left shoulder.
Slowly switch sides, no rush. Feel the stretch along the side of the neck and down the arm.
Wake up the legs. Just a little side to side shift. Keep it light, keep it fun. Coming back to center. Stand tall. Feel the floor beneath your feet and the air in your lungs. Open the heart. Pull the hands back and feel the front of the shoulders opening up. Give yourself a little twist. Let the arms be heavy and just tap the body. It's a literal stress buster. Roll the shoulders. Inhale up to the ears. Exhale down the back. Let go of the weight you've been carrying.
Find your balance. Focus on one spot. You are grounded. You are steady.
Hug the knee in. Stand tall through that standing leg. Find your power.
Other side. Hug it in. Feel that connection to your center.
Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull. Feel the energy move through your body. Reach over. Stretch the side body. Create space for a bigger breath.
And the other way. Reach long through the fingertips. Feel that beautiful stretch.
Fold it down, grab your elbows. Let the weight of your head and arms pull you down. Let it all hang out.
Very slowly roll it back up. Let the head be the very last thing to lift.
One more lion's breath. Inhale and let it roar out.
Feel the quiet you've created. This is yours to keep. Breathe it in. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. From my heart to yours, namaste.
Hi everyone, I'm Misty. Welcome to your 10-minute stress buster. Let's find a comfortable stance and begin. Let's just start by shaking it out. Shake the hands, shake the shoulders, let the breath be easy. Step it side to side. Just finding some simple movement to get the energy flowing. Noodle arms, just let them slap against you. Let go of whatever you're holding on to. Ground down through the feet. Take a big inhale in through the nose. Exhale it out. Let it all go through the mouth. Let's take some hip circles. Move to the right, front, left, and back. And reverse it. Other way. Keep that breath moving smooth. Inhale, reach high. Star pose. Take up space in the room. Exhale, bend the knees, deep plie. Stay tall in your upper body. Inhale, reach. Exhale, sweep. Clear the air around you. Press the palms, feel the strength in your legs. You are solid. Arm circles. Keep them going, wrists in line with shoulders. Stay in the squat, keep the arms moving. You've got this. And reverse it. Backward circles. I know it's warm, stay with it. Warrior two. Reach long through the fingertips, gaze over the front hand. And exhale close, inhale open. Moving with the breath. Warrior two, left side. Ground down through the outer edge of your back foot. Shh. 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 Coming back to center. Feel your head over your heart, heart over pelvis. Chair pose. Sit back into the heels, reach long. Heel lifts. Right, left. Right, left. Keep sitting low. Now lift both heels. Find a steady point to look at. Airplane arms. Squeeze the shoulder blades. You're flying through the stress. Inhale, reach for the sky. Big full body stretch. Exhale, forward fold. Let it all go. Let the head be heavy. Shake the head yes. Shake the head no. Release the neck. Slowly roll up to standing. Stacking the spine. Head is the last thing to come up. Feel your heart lift. You are grounded. You are present. Great job today. Thank you for showing up for yourself. I'll see you next time. Hello, everyone, and welcome to your Stress Buster. I'm Misty, and we are going to start with a little movement. Think of your arms like noodle arms here. Just letting go of anything that's been weighing on you. Now let's ground down. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Keeping the breath flowing as we move the hips in a circle. Side, front, side, and back. And then reverse it. Other way. Nice and slow, no experience necessary here. Inhale, reach for the sky. Star pose. Take up space. Exhale, bend the knees, deep plie. Stay strong in your lower body. Inhale to reach up. Exhale to sweep the arms down. Clearing the air. Bring your palms together, press them firmly. Feel the strength in your low body, lightness in the upper body. Find your breath, maybe sink a little lower. Get a little lower. Arms circles forward. Hands and wrists in line with your shoulders. Now keep it going, bend the knees, forward arm circles. And back. Reverse it. I know it's burning, you got this. Inhale, extend, star pose. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, reach for the sky. Exhale, forward fold, bring it all the way down. Inhale, reach it all the way up. Good. Exhale, float it all the way down. Moving into a warrior two. Turn the right toes out, arms long, front knee bent, sink low. On your exhale, close the barn door by bringing the left palm over to the right. Inhale to open. Warrior two, second side. Stay strong in the arms. I know they're getting tired. Whoa, whoa, last. Wow, she.
Coming back to center. Stand tall, feel your feet on the ground, letting any tension and stress wash away.
Come into a chair pose. Bend your knees, send your hips back, reach the fingertips forward. Then we'll lift the right heel here and then switch to the left. Switch right, switch left. Now both heels lift, find your focus. Press the fingertips behind you, airplane arms here. Drop the heels, inhale, reach for the sky. Big full body stretch. Exhale, rain it down, forward fold. Just let it all go here. Shake the head a little yes, shake the head no. Ragdoll, bend your knees generously. Feel your belly towards the tops of your thighs. And slowly roll up to standing. Take your time, stacking through the spine. One final stress-busting breath. Inhale in and exhale out through the mouth. All right, everyone, great job. Thank you so much for joining me. Share this video with a friend, and I'll see you next time. Feel the burn. Keep it up. Step into the moment. Show up for yourself today. Let's find what feels good and release some stress. Just a little twist to release the spine. Move with ease and let the arms be heavy. Bring your arms to cactus, open your heart. Breathe into the space you're creating.